Hey Sean, I was surfing the web and I found this crazy product.
Oh yeah? What does it do?
Check out this video. It'll do a much better job explaining the SleepWell than I ever could.
Hello and welcome to SleepWell. Humans need sleep. As a matter of fact, 1/3 of our lives is spent sleeping. We have all heard of products to help us exercise, eat well, and generally bolster our health while we are awake. And that, my friends, is the key phrase. When we are awake. I come to you today to offer you the easiest way to stay healthy and fight off health dangers with the ease of sleep.
Why, sleep? This sounds so great, but how could this be true?
Don't you feel great when you sleep? This is because your body is naturally replenishing itself and healing itself, churning through dead cells, infected cells, and misplaced cells, reinstituting the natural order of things in your chaotic bodies. But in modern times, we seem to be getting less and less sleep in a non-optimal sleeping environment. With a SleepWell mattress, you can get less sleep and more benefit. It's the perfect product to help modern man cope with this sleep-deprived reality.
How could something so great possibly be real?
Well, don't you get enough sleep? Don't you feel bad? Sleep is pivotal to the health cycle of humans. When we sleep, we are vulnerable. Today, we are surrounded by cell phones, computers, televisions, microwaves, and many other electronic devices. And, as we all know, electricity and magnetism are just two sides of the one scientific coin. This magnetic field produced by our plethora of electronic devices surrounds and consumes us. It permeates our every cell. This magnetic field perturbs our cells, and especially our fragile DNA, are susceptible to the degradation of biomagnetic fields. We are made of atoms, which are made of negatively charged electrons and positively charged protons. These electrons and protons are vital to the makeup of our DNA and cells. The magnetic fields affect them, just like the north and south side of a coin. Changing the positions of the electrons and protons change the chemical makeup of our cells. These changes pollute our body, and this pollution causes cancer. But not all magnetic fields have this harmful effect. Natural magnetic fields, like the one created by the Earth's magma core, cancel out this field and ensure the stability of our cellular components. This bed uses real jade-based springs to amplify and induce a natural magnetic field to cancel out this negative man-made field and amplify the natural field. It works similar to the way sound canceling in headphones. The Earth's magnetic field oscillates with the opposite power and frequency of man-made waves, and this bed forces them to overlap and cancel each other out until all that is left is the good natural magnets. Under the influence of this natural field, you will not only sleep longer, but get to sleep quicker. You will sleep deeper, more REM-based sleep. So even if you sleep less than 6 hours a night, you will have the positive effects of over 10 hours of normal sleep. This product was developed by NASA for astronauts on the International Space Station. Only recently has NASA's copyright extended to open this product to the public. And the sales reflect the beneficial properties of the SleepWell mattress. But don't take my word for it. Listen to our expert.
Hello, I am a fellow on the Backham Institute's board for sleep technologies. I was a part of the developmental team for this product, and I'm excited to finally see this product opened up to help the public. Hours of research and well-tested theories can finally bring the benefits to the SleepWell mattress to the public. Billy Mays Jr. did an excellent job of explaining the general theory behind our product, but he missed out on a few more exciting effects. As many of you may remember from your first chemistry class, the water molecule is polar. This means there is an imbalance in its magnetic field, causing it to readily align in a certain geometric pattern, making it easily influenced by magnets. It is this instability that makes the water in our skin so volatile, ready to jump out and leave our skin dry. With a SleepWell mattress, we can better absorb water into our skin and leave behind the barbaric practice of trying to jam as much water into our skin as possible with moisturizers and lotions. But this concept does not extend just to skin health. The cellular membranes that separates out cells is the wall through with vital nutrients and crucial anecdotal chemicals must pass. This membrane is made mostly of water. With the use of SleepWell mattress, we can encourage better permeation and osmosis to keep our cells healthy. and our bodies healthy, which creates longer life.
Thank you, Dr. Johnson. Isn't this exciting? The doctor agrees with me. And to offer our final proof is an actual customer who has experienced the miracles of the SleepWell mattress firsthand.
Before I bought the SleepWell mattress, I slept long nights, usually 10 to 12 hours, and woke up miserable, tired, and groggy. I saw a wonderful commercial about the product and decided to invest in myself and purchase one. How wonderful it is! How soon I felt the effect. Today I sleep as little as 8 hours and feel invigorated and well rested. I feel the vigor and health of youth. My skin is wonderful and tight. I've even lost weight. This product has changed my life for the better, and I'm sure it will change yours for the better too.
What a wonderful testimonial. I'm glad to see this product is bringing joy to people.
Wow, that sounds amazing. How can I order one?
Too bad you missed our Black Friday special. Order now by calling 999-999-99999. Then get our product for 42 easy installments of $42. This is SleepWell Mattress signing out.
That was amazing. I'm gonna buy one right away.
Hold on, wait a minute. Were we even watching the same video? That cheese was full of bad science, horrible fallacies, and terrible acting. All it takes is a little critical thinking to see through that scam.
What are you talking about?
Fallacies, logical fallacies. They're easy thinking traps that make no sense, and scams like these employ them all the time to try and dupe people out of their money.
Oh yeah? Then point them out.
The easiest one to see is the anecdotal evidence fallacy. Just because that guy bought the mattress doesn't mean it's what helped him. And even if it does, he provides no clear evidence that it will help us. The heart of the anecdotal evidence fallacy is this: your personal story isn't enough to prove a claim. While we're at it, examine what the expert and the seller used to argue. It didn't make a lick of sense, but they sure did use sciencey words. Just because it sounds like science doesn't make it true. Riddled throughout this video is the use of the naturalistic fallacy as well. Just because it's natural doesn't make it good. Plenty of natural things kill us. Poisonous snake, for example. And plenty of fake things help us. Look at the success of modern medicine. Simply being natural or not isn't enough to help or harm your cause. Pretty much every time the seller opened up an argument, he used a loaded question. He said something that, while it's true, had nothing to do with his argument. The last thing I'll mention is the ever so popular bandwagon fallacy. Sure, it's popular, but this is still obviously false. I bet NASA had nothing to do with this.
On second thought, it does seem expensive to haul Jade up to space.
And Jade wouldn't be comfortable at all.